The first snowstorm in Delaware. Well, it's a real heavy one. It's only 12:30 right now. It's been snowing for an hour and a half and we just barely made home. It's gonna keep going as heavy as it is now, maybe even heavier. So, till 8 o'clock this evening. Pretty amazing actually.
Oh yeah, we just, no, we put a garbage bag in. Yeah.
Christmas tree will be going up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is going up.
Yeah, that's really funny.
It's good to be home. And the view from the front door. Same snowstorm. And it's only 2 hours. And we're gonna get another 6 hours of that till Sunday night, when hopefully it will stop. We'll be at that point try to clean the driveway to go to work tomorrow. Great. Everything white and quiet. Better not be driving during this weather.